So with this interceptor, we improved handling of unexpected errors. Perfect. But this implementation is not ideal. First of all, it has polluted our app module. So at the beginning of this module, we have all these details about intercepting errors, checking to see if the error is unexpected, logging it, blah, blah, blah. All these details have polluted our app module, which should be the root of our application. The other issue with this implementation is that tomorrow, when we build another React application, we have to come back and copy paste this snippet into our new application. This is not very portable. It would be nicer if we had a separate module like HTTP service module, and all this code was in that module. Then our app module will not be polluted with all these details. And also we could simply copy that file, that HTTP module file, into a new project. That will be more portable. So in our project, let's add a new folder, services. Here we add a new file, http service.js. Now back to our app module. Let's cut all this code from here and move it into our HTTP service. On the top, we need to import Axios. So I'm going to grab that from our app module. Here it is, cut, and paste it here. Now at the end, I want to export a default object. This object should have 4 methods: get, post, put, and delete, just like the Axios object. So get, we set this to axios.get. Post, we set it to axios.post. Put, similarly, and finally delete, we set it to axios.delete. Now with this change, we can go to our app module. On the top, import HTTP or HTTP service, whatever you want to call it, from services/HTTP service module. And then anywhere we have a reference to Axios, we can simply rename that reference to HTTP. So I've selected this Axios. Let's find the other references. So we have 4 references. Let's rename all of them to HTTP. Now with this change, in this module, we no longer have a reference to Axios. We have hidden Axios behind our HTTP service module. So if in the future we decide to use a different library instead of Axios, there is only a single place we need to make that change. That is our HTTP service module. As long as this module exports an object with these methods, get, post, put, and delete, the rest of the application will not be affected. In our app module, we don't care what library we are using to send HTTP requests. So that's one of the benefits of introducing this HTTP service module. And also, for our next project, we can simply copy this entire file, this entire module, into a new project. That is much easier than copying a snippet of code. And also, in app module, we no longer have that ugly code for configuring an interceptor.